Good morning, class. Today in chapter 4, we will find the solution of simultaneous linear equation of order 3 by 3. Here we show the example. Show that the system of equation is consistent. Also find its solution. These are the system of linear equation in 3 variable. Solution. In matrix form, the above system of equation can be written as matrix A 2 minus 1 3 in first row, 3 2 minus 1 in second row, 4 5 minus 5 in third row. This is called matrix A. And matrix A, variable matrix, can be written as x y z, and constant matrix equal to 5 7 9. This is can also be written as A x equal to B. If we find the determinants of A, which is on solving, we get equal to 0. It shows that the system of equation is consistent, hence the solution does not exist. Now take one more example. Show that the system of equation is consistent, also find its solution. Now the equations are changed. Write it in matrix form. A x equal to B. A matrix, coefficient of x, y, z. X variable matrix, 3 variable x, y, z of order 3 by 1. B constant matrix, minus 4 to 11, order 3 by 1. First of all, find determinants of A, which is now equal to 67. You know how to solve determinants of the matrix, which is not equal to 0. So we can say system of equation is consistent and its solution exists. First of all, find the cofactors of the matrix A. C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. You know how to find the cofactors. With the help of cofactors, find adjoint of A, which is the transpose of the cofactors matrix. When transpose, rows change into columns, so we get adjoint of A. We know the formula of A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinants of A into adjoint of A. Put the value, determinants of A is 67, adjoint of A is this. As Ax equal to B, when we pre-multiplication A inverse both sides, we get x equal to A inverse B. Put the value of A inverse, 1 upon 67 and this, and B matrix as minus 4 to 11. Now we multiply this matrix into this matrix. So when we multiply, we get x equal to 1 by 67 and 24 plus 34 plus 143 in second row, minus 56 plus 10 minus 88, 60 plus 18 minus 11. On solving, we get 201 minus 134 and plus 67. Dividing 67, 201, 1 minus 134 and 67, we get 3 minus 2, 1, which satisfy the given set of equation. So x equal to 3, on comparing, x equal to 3, y equal to minus 2 and z equal to 1 is the required solution of the given equation.